In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil light on a Jeep Renegade. So once you've performed your oil change, you're going to come inside and not touch the brake pedal with your foot and hit the ignition button twice and turn the ignition on. You're going to put your foot on the gas pedal and push it 3 times slowly all the way to the floor within a 10-second period. 1, 2, 3. Turn the ignition off. Then you can turn the ignition back on and it should say reset to 100%. Yep, it's gone. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.